Yo, what's up guys, कैसे हैं आप सब लोग? Welcome back to my another video, and in this video I'm going to give you the full review of the Maruti Suzuki Swift. As you can see, so before starting the video I want to give special thanks to Mr. Bhushan Kumar, who gave me such a great opportunity to shoot this video and give you the review of the Maruti Suzuki Swift. So guys, this car is provided me by the Akansa Automobile Maruti Suzuki Arena. The number is on the screen and the address is also on the screen. So let's quickly have a walk around, then I will tell you, I will give you the answers of whatever question you have asked to me and whatever question you have regarding this car. So let's quickly have a walk around. So as you can see, the front is now more bold and now more stylish, as you can see, and the bold car is provided by the Maruti Suzuki. As you can see, the Swift is now more bolder than the previous Swift. The grille is quite simple and much wider as well. In the previous model of the Maruti Suzuki, you will not get such a wider grille and such a bold grille as well, and here you will get such a great and wider grille and the simple grille. But one thing is missing in this grille is that there is no chrome plating on the grille, which is a missing part of this car. Only they have done a black stuff on this grille. As you can see, they have given the black radiated grille as well, as this is what missing in this car is the chrome work. And look here the chrome work has been done for the Maruti Suzuki logo and the massive logo of Maruti Suzuki as well. Now look at the grille is so massive and so bold in size, which is so good. Now look here, this is the ZXi variant, so this have much more features than the base model. So this is the ZXi variant, and here you will get the halogen headlamps as well. The headlamps are quite similar to the previous Maruti Suzuki Swift as well and the previous models as well, but here in this they have made such a great work and so good car, as you can see. Now look here you will get the fog lamp as well. The fog lamp is given here. If we talk about the fog lamp, the fog lamps are also bulb fog lamps, we can say the halogen also, because they are not LED as well, and not the projector as well. The headlamps is also not the projector and not the LED, that's why. Now look at the bumper. The bumper is body color sporty bumper has been given to the car, which is so good and so nice. Look here, the black stuff is given. Look here the black stuff is given, which is so good, but the bumper is also the body color bumper, which is the best part of this car. And here the towing hook is given, as you can see. Now this was the front of this car. If we talk about the width of this car, 1.7 meter is the width of this car, and the length is about 3.8 meter, which is so good, and height is 1.5 meter. The best part, not so much tall but so much in length. So lengthy car is this, and the best in its segment also. If we talk about the best in its segment, this is the first car in its segments, and I think the best one. After the Swift, the Grand i10 Neos comes. So this is the best one in its segment because of the look, because of the Maruti Suzuki trust, and because of the work they done on this car. The body is quite strong. The Maruti Suzuki tech body is provided to the car, which is so good. And if we talk about the window, this is the power window, and the window is so clear and so massive in size. So guys, these are the wiper of this car. Two wipers are given to the car, and here the washers are given. 2 washers has been given on this car, which is the best part. And if we talk about the tire, these are 185 by 65 R15 tires are available on this car, which is the best part, and the Apollo tires are available. These are the alloy wheels, as you can see. The Maruti Suzuki logo is also available, and guys, this is the precision cut alloy wheels are available on this car, which is so good. And these are the R15 tire, which is also so good. And if we talk about the front suspension, the front MacPherson stored suspension is available in this car. Ventilated disc brakes are available, which is all the way so good. Now the front have the MacPherson stored suspension. So what will be the rear? Here you will get at the rear you will get the torsion beam suspension and the drum brake as well. The drum brakes are available on this car, which is so good. And if we talk about the front fender, there is no front fender, as you can see here. The fender ends, but the bigger fender has been given. At the rear you will get the fender too, as you can see here the fender is given as well. Now if we talk about the keyless feature of this car have the keyless entry as well. As you can see here, the door and the body color door handles are available, and the key plug-in is also given. The option is also given, but we have the open sensor. We need to press this to open the door because the car is now unlocked, that's why. So now let's talk about this. This is the ORVM. As you can see, the ORVM, the body color ORVM is available on this car, which is so good. And the indicator is also available on this car. The ORVM indicators are available on the outside rear view mirror, which is so good. And these are the indicators. Now the side profile of this car is so amazing and so nice. Now look at the mirrors, this mirror and the design of this car. Look from here, this car goes downwards as well. The height is much more. As you can see here, the height and the full length goes deep and deep. Here the length goes down as well. Look at this, the side profile of this car, which is so good. And the mirror tells us that the length is so down at the rear, and if we compare it with the front. And the best part of this car is its aerodynamics. The aerodynamics of this car is so good because of this, because of the deepness at the rear. Now let's talk about this. Here you will not get a door handle as well as in the usual cars. You will get the door handles here, which is not here, but here you will get the door handle here. This makes this car more stylish, but one problem raises here is the length of the window. The window gets smaller, but this looks so stylish and so nice. And here the black stuff has been provided. Now look here, the black color door handle is given to the car, which is so good. Now look at the car. So this is the door handle of this car. Now also let's get to the rear profile of this car. Look at the rear profile of this car. These are the LED tail lamps, which is so good. The LED tail lamps, as you can see, the best part of this, the tail lamps are so good and so nice. So the tail lamps are so nice and so good in the size and massive in size. As you can see, the massive tail lamps has been given to the car, which is so good. Now if we talk about the rear work of this car, here they have provided such a curve work here as well. The curve is provided, and this is what the car have. Lots of curve work is done as well. And here the Swift badging is, and here the massive logo of the Maruti Suzuki as well. So guys, I have not shown you the boot of this car, so let's quickly open this. And here the boot is 268 liter of boot space is given in this car, which is so good. And not so much massive boot is given, but not so much bad boot is also given. A decent amount of boot space is given in this car, which is also so good. A decent amount of boot space is given, as you can see. Lots of noises here. 268 liter of boot space is given, which is so good. And if we talk about the spare tire of this car, I need to open from here. And this is the spare tire of this car. Okay, these are the also the spare tire of this car, which is also so good. And if we talk about the boot is also decent in amount. And if we talk about this is the passenger shelf is also given, and the boot is quite good and quite nice. Now let's close this. So here, so guys, now look here. Here you will get the parking sensor. The cameras are not available for the ZXi variant, which is missing in this car, but the defogger is also available. The defogger is available, and here the washer is also available, and here the wiper is available. The rear washers and the wiper is available in this car, which is so good. But they should give rear camera as well. Instead of giving the rear camera, they should provide the inside touch screen as well. This is the ZXi variant, that's why. Now let's get inside the car to show you the interior. It's time to get inside the car. Now look here. Here the door is quite light. As you can see, the door is so light in the size and also in weight also. Now look here. Here the auto down and auto window control has been given. Auto pitch is also available here, and pinch is also available here. Auto down window control has been given here. The all window control has been given, which is so good. And look here, the texture of this car, the black stuff has been provided everywhere. And here, what is this? They have done this work here, and lots of cut and cross work has been done, which is so good in this car. The black color interior has been provided to the car. Look at the interior. The interior is so good and so nice. This is the seat of these Swift. Now let's this is the adjustable seat as well. You can adjust the height, and you can adjust the seat from here. So now adjust the seat. Let's adjust the seat. So guys, the seat is adjusted. Now let's get inside the car. So getting inside the car is not so much difficult because of the work of this car. Now look at the interior are quite so dark inside the car, which is so good, and the seats are so comfortable, so comfortable seat. I must say that the seats are so comfortable. The front headrest has been provided, the adjustable headrest is provided, and the headrest is so awesome, as you can see. Let's close this. So the door has been closed. Now the whole steering, look at the steering is quite smaller, but so fantastic and so good. Here the work is so good, and if we talk about the steering work, the steering is quite awesome, and lots of work has been done on this steering. As you can see here, the massive logo of Swift, and here the chrome work has been given. As you can see here, the multifunctioning steering wheel is given. Here the call pickup and call cut Bluetooth option is also given here, which is the best part. And here the multifunctioning trip meter, or we can see that the cluster is given. Here the tachometer is, and here the speedometer is, and here this is what you will get, the multifunctioning cluster. Here the mileage, the average distance, everything has been shown here, the range of this car also. Now look, here the AC vent has been given, and there also the AC vent. Here the AC vent is given. Engine start stop button is also available in this car, which is the best part of this car. These are the headlamps control of this car. These are the wipers of this car, which is so good. And here you will not get the touch screen, which is missing in this car. So here you will get the Bluetooth, and the Bluetooth option is given. Here the whole work is given. The radio, FM, AM, everything is given, which is the best part. But they should provide the touch screen. I must say to Maruti Suzuki that what they have done, they should provide a touch screen, because at this cost we should get the touch screen here. But what can we do now? Now look at the dashboard. The dashboard is quite pretty nice, and if we talk about this is so fine. Work has been done, lots of cut cross work has been done, and here the work is also so good. So guys, now look here, that due to the darkness inside the car, the camera is not properly working. Here the glove box is given. As you can see, the glove box, and this is what the car have. Here you will not get a mirror, which is missing in this car. Here you will get a mirror, which is also so good. And here the lights has been given, lights control has been provided here, which is also so good. And inside the rear view mirror, the holders are given here also, and at the rear also. Now the electrically adjustable ORVM is given, and the power adjustable ORVM is given. The steering is quite nice and quite good, which is so good. And these are the adjustable steering wheel. Look, the tilt and the tilt steering wheel is given, which is so good. So the seats are adjustable. And if we talk about this is the gearbox of this car, the 5-speed manual transmission gearbox. Here the handbrake, and here lots of space has been given for stuff. Here also to keep your water bottle, or you can keep your cup also. And here the key of the car is given. Look here, the much good key has been provided to the Maruti Suzuki car as well. And because of the start stop button, the car have the start stop button, and here the 2 cup holder has been given. So dark inside the car as well. There the 12-watt charging socket is given, and the USB auxiliary cable is also given. Here the AC control has been given. As you can see here, the AC control has been given. Now let's get to the rear. So guys, now let's get inside the car. So I have adjusted the seat. Now look at the car. Wow, now the car is much comfortable and so good. Here you will get the window opener, here to close the door, and here the door opener is also given to open the door with the chrome work as well. And to lock this door, as you can see, to lock this door. Now look at the leg room of this car. At that seat I have adjusted, that's why there is no leg room. But when I have again adjusted the seat, lots of leg room has been provided. But if we talk about the under thigh support, the under thigh support is missing in this car. Look here, this is what I am saying. If I am sitting like this, the under thigh support is so missing in this car, which is a missing part. But if we adjust the seat, I can easily sit. Lots of leg room has been given, and the seat is so comfortable. If we talk about this, here you will get the adjustable rear headrest, which is so good at both the sides, but the center headrest is missing in this car. The seat is so comfortable and so nice, as what we want in this car, everything is given. So now let's start the Q&A session. So guys, let's start the Q&A question and answer session. So guys, the first question is that related the Maruti Suzuki Swift ZXi. The first question is the what is the price of this Maruti Suzuki Swift ZXi. Okay, the price of this car is 6.7 lakhs. The average ex showroom price New Delhi. Okay, so 6,77,000. This is what the price of this car is, the Swift ZXi, which is so good. And this price is not so much high, but one thing is missing in this car, I must say, the touch screen, because at such price they should provide the touch screen. Okay, that is missing. But if we talk about the quality of this car, the second question is related the quality of this car. What is the strong, how much strong the body is, and what is the quality of this car. So guys, this Maruti Suzuki Swift is not launched in within the few 1 and 2 years. This is what a car which has been a legend in India. The trust on Maruti Suzuki is from decades. Okay, so Maruti Suzuki is one of the car which is launched few years, many years before, which is the best part of this car. And the quality, you all know that in all the cars they provide such a tacked body, a Maruti Suzuki tacked body, and again in this car they have provided the great body, the Maruti Suzuki tacked body, which is so good. Now if we talk about the car quality, the car is so strong, and the Maruti Suzuki tacked body, and the trust has been provided. Okay, so the third question related this is the third question is what is the tire size of this car. Okay, I have already shown in the video, you all get to know. This is 185 by 65 R15 tires are available in this car, which is so good. Precision cut alloy wheels are available on the ZXi variant. And if we talk about the tire, McPherson strut, and this is ventilated disc brakes are available at the front, and at the rear you will get the torsion beam axle suspension, which is also so good. So guys, the third question, I really like the third question. The third question is so good and so nice. The third question is so good. Customer have asked that he should purchase Maruti Suzuki Swift now, or he should wait for the facelift model that is going to be launched in India in 2020. So my answer is that you should buy Maruti Suzuki Swift in this because if you will wait for the facelift will not have such much difference between the Swift and the again facelift model of the Swift, because they Maruti Suzuki will only provide a few changes in the facelift of the car, because they will provide the chrome grille to the Maruti Suzuki Swift, and also they will make they will also provide a dual jet 1.2 liter petrol engine to the car, which is so good. But if we talk about the power generation of this car, the power generation of the car is about 91 bhp at 6000 rpm. But in now times the Swift generate 83 bhp of horsepower, which is also the same. And if we talk about the facelift have only 9 bhp of horsepower difference, which is so good. So you should buy a Maruti Suzuki Swift right now, because without wasting any time or without wasting your precious time, you should buy. And because without thinking so much, because when we think so much we will get the wrong thing only. So don't think, just purchase, you will get the profit in this car, because Maruti Suzuki is so good and so nice. If we talk about the engine type of this car, this is also a petrol engine, which is also so good. Engine type is VT petrol engine is available, which is so good. And if we talk about the engine cc, 1197cc engine is available in this car. Power, I have already told you, 81 bhp of horsepower at 6000 rpm. Good thing also, because if we wait for the facelift we will get only 10 bhp of horsepower difference. That's it, or what? So you should not wait for this. And if we talk about the torque remains the same in both the models, facelift and the today's model, that 139 mm of torque, which is not so much difference between both of them. That's why. So the number of cylinder is 4 as well. The number of cylinder is 4. Transmission is this car is also available in manual and automatic, which is also so good. And if we talk about many more features, I have already told you each and everything features of this car. So one question raises here is, what is the safety features of this car ZXi variant? So first of all, I want to give you a clear view that this car is the most good car, and also not the safest car but the safe car as well, because of the Maruti Suzuki tech body. And if we talk about the safety features, the adjustable and power adjustable and electrically adjustable ORVM is available, which is a great feature. And if we talk about more, parking sensor are available, and the adjustable seats are available, which is a safety feature as well. And if we talk about the airbags are available in this car. The airbags are also available in this car, which is also good. And if we talk about many more safety feature, this car comes with ABS, anti-lock braking system, and EBD, which is also so good. And if we talk about other feature, that the child lock safety is available, door locks are available, crash sensors are available, parking sensor, as I have already told you, which is also available. And if we talk about this, fog lamps, front fog lamps are also available. That is also a safety feature if you don't know. So because they help in great fog also. And also if we talk about many more features, the anti-theft alarm and device both are available in this car. Driver and passenger airbag is also available in this car. That is what we get in this car. Speed alert, speed door locks are also available in this car. These are all the features. These all are the features of in this safety segment. Now, if we talk about the exterior features, I have already shown you. If we talk about the interior, I have already shown you everything in the interior in the video. If we talk about the comfort, here the headrests are available. Adjustable headrest at rear also, which is also a comfort and safety feature. Adjustable seats are available. You can adjust the height of the seat, which is what you want. Multi-trip meter is also available. Comfort feature, power adjustable, electrically adjustable and power adjustable ORVM is available. Comfort feature. And the headroom, look at the headroom. The knee room is so good, so adjustable, and the safety features are available, which is so good. And if we talk about more comfort feature, fog lamps are available, which is a safety feature, and the parking sensor, which will help you convenience you in parking your car. So that's all the safety features of this car. So guys, the next question is again a nice question has been asked, that in all this in each and every variant you will get whether you will get the adjustable seat or not. So bro, you have asked this question. I am so glad that you have asked, but one thing is that in the VX side and all the upper variant you will get the adjustable seat, but for the base models like LXI you will not get the adjustable seats. So guys, so at last I want to say you that if you have any questions, so write in comment box, or please if you have don't followed me on Instagram, so click on the link to follow me on Instagram and DM me your question, whatever you want to ask regarding any car. Just DM me and ask your question. You can also ask your question on Facebook, Twitter, anywhere you want to ask. So please also in the comment box you can write your question. I read each and every comment also. So guys, if you have not subscribed my channel, so click on the red subscribe button, and also if you have not even liked the video, so click on the like button. Just push it, okay? Click on the like button and just click, and also share this video to all your friends, that they can also clear their all doubts regarding any cars. So guys, that's it for today. मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में, और लाता रहूँगा वापस से एक नया रिव्यू. तो आज के लिए इतना ही, मिलते हैं अगली वीडियो में. टिल देन, गुड बाय.